Welcome. My name is Asfildro. This presentation is for Ethical Communication class section F2WW for summer 2025 semester. Imagine a scenario where a children toy manufacturer introduces a new item to the public. However, the toy developer found later on there is a critical flaw that needs to be addressed. We will apply two ethical theories to address this flaw. Consequentialism. Look at the consequence or result of action to determine ethicality. The result of consequence must produce the greatest positive effect or benefit to the greatest amount of people. The positive point about consequentialism is no matter how unethical an action will be, only the result or consequence is looked at. The negative point is the difficulty in applying the theory. It could range from as easy as cheating in the test or as hard as doing cost and benefit analysis. So in our scenario, we will deal with the issues only when it occurs, since we are banking on the rare chance that it will happen. Then ontology look at the action and determine whether it reflects moral value. It does not look at the result or consequence of such actions. The positive point about the theory is that it is very easy to apply and anybody can practice it. The negative point is it does not allow flexibility. One must adhere to the moral code to the letter. In our scenario, we will issue a recall and face consequence, no matter how much or what it would cost us. Here we shall compare the two theories. Consequentialism judge on the consequence and disregard actions. The consequence must have a net positive effect to those involved. And an example would be to introduce a controlling species to the habitat to limit or exterminate invasive ones. The ontology judges on the action and disregards consequence. The action must abide to the moral code of ethics. There is no deviation from the code. And the example that would be to obey order and launch nuclear weapons to kill as much as possible. Here we will look at the implication of the theory in question. We will start with consequentialism. If we do not issue a recall or deal with the flaw by occurrence. So this way we can protect our profit, employee, and reputation. We do this because the chance that the flaw will cause injury is too low to justify the recall, since the damage will outpace the benefit. Or we can go with the ontology and issue a recall. This way we will protect the integrity of our moral ethic and character. We will also protect the children from needless harm, despite how low a chance it would cause such harm. So thank you for listening in and have a productive day.